Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to another video and welcome back to a Walmart grocery haul and weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here was roughly $50. I spent about $30 and then Jared, my boyfriend, spent about $25. So we're going to go over the Walmart haul and then we are going to do the meal plan for this week. Over here in the meat section, we got drumsticks because they were on clearance, and we're just going to freeze these and have them probably next week. We got some ground Italian sausage for a recipe. Tilapia was on clearance, and we're going to have that this week also. Needed some biscuits for a recipe. Brownies, because I was craving that. Marinara sauce for a recipe. Jared bought me a binder for my online class that I'm taking. And then these were only $1. I use it for my Scentsy. We got some green grapes. These were like really cheap. They were like $1.38, $1.24, something like that a pound. So that was really cheap. I had to get that. Half and half for Jared. We got some plums, peaches, avocado, a white onion or a yellow onion. We got baker's chocolate, so I'm going to dip my almonds in these and make some chocolate covered almonds. I thought that was going to be cool, and it was on clearance. And then Jared spotted these. We've been using some of these drink mixes, and this is the watermelon lemonade, and they were on clearance also. We had to get some cheese. We got Parmesan, mozzarella, which I've never bought a block of mozzarella cheese. It was for a recipe. We had to get some more of our regular cheddar cheese. We got some bagels. Jared wanted that. Creamer for me. Some vanilla because I ran out. Chicken broth. And then for dinners this week, we needed linguine and rigatoni. Alright, so this is the overview for the Walmart. Now let's move on to the meal plan. So the meal plan for this week. For Sunday, we are doing chicken and dumplings, which this will be a leftover dish because when you watch my What's for Dinner on Monday, I actually cooked this on Friday because I didn't have anything to cook and I was working night shift. So we're going to do chicken and dumplings on Friday, and then we will have that for leftovers. Monday is, I was going to pick some baked salmon up, but tilapia was on clearance, so we're going to do salmon, and then I said veggies for steamed veggies, actually. Tuesday, we're going to have oven chicken and linguine, which is a new recipe. Wednesday, leftovers. Thursday is our usual breakfast with bacon and eggs. Friday, we're going to have cheesy sausage rigatoni, and then Saturday should be leftovers. All right, and here are the new recipes. This is the oven chicken and linguine. This is from the allrecipe.com. And then the cheesy sausage rigatoni is the Pioneer Woman that I got from the Food Network. So you can go and check those out on their website if you want to do that. And last but not least, here is another overview. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe down below. Let me know if y'all do grocery hauls also. Absolutely love doing grocery hauls. I love grocery shopping in general. So that is about it. I did not get a newspaper yet, but that video will be out also, so don't sweat. And I will see you guys later, and have a blessed week. Bye.